I saw her in the rightest way, looking like an highway, laughing while she hit her pen and coughed. Then she came up to my knees, saying, "Baby, would you please do the things you say you do to me, to me? Oh, won't you kiss me on the mouth and love